Hello everybody, today we are going to learn to check a prime and composite number in Java. So we need to understand what is the meaning of prime number and what is the meaning of composite number. A prime number is a number which is not divisible by any other number. Okay, it is only divisible by itself and 1. What is composite number? Composite number is a kind of number which is divisible by others number too. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we will accept one input from user and we will check whether it is prime or composite. This program is based on loop. Okay, so we are going to learn the code. We will see how to write it. Okay, so let's begin it. So as you all know that every program begins with what? We write what? Import java dot util then dot scanner, the class. Then after, because we are making prime composite, so we can write here class name pr. For prime I am writing here pr. Then after that, public static void main and then string args. Okay, now we need to declare some variables. So before the declaration of variables, let's create the object of scanner class. Okay, after the creation of the object of scanner class, okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to declare the variables int and for the number. Okay, and we need only one number, one for running the loop, that we can take as I. We will take I for the running the loop. One we are going to take boolean. Let's make it false, FAL. We are going to make it boolean as boolean equal to boolean b equal to false. Meaning is we have a variable of boolean type. See, a boolean variable has two type of value only. It may be true or false. So initial value we are giving false. We will I'll tell you all why I have taken it false. In the later on in the program you will see why I have taken it false. So these are some requirements. Now we are going to give a message to the user so that user will give us input. Now let's give a first message. System dot out dot print ln. Enter the number. Enter the number. When the user sees this message, user will try to give a value. So we have to use sc dot next int. The value will be stored in n. We got the input. Now we have to run a loop. We are going to run a loop because to check whether a number is prime or not, we have to compare each and every number from the starting from the number from 2 to half of the number. Okay, and we will check the divisibility of each and every number by each and every number, and we will find whether it is divisible or not. If it gets divisible or it gets divided, what we have to do? We have to see that that number is not prime. Okay, so let's do that. Loop I equal to 2 means we will begin the loop from 2 and I should be lesser or equal to, means the loop will run up to the number divided by 2, half of the number. Suppose the number is if the number is 25 or if the number is like 39 or any other number, means it will be divided by 2, means half of the number the loop will run, and then we will do what? I plus plus. Okay, so what we have to do the next, we have to check the divisibility. How to check the divisibility? We have to use what? If function. If and module I. If it is equal to 0, what is the meaning? suppose we have taken the number 5, which we know that it is what? A prime number. 5 module 2. If you module 5 2, there will be a remainder. So no, this condition is false. Next is what? 3. 5 module 3, again it will be what? False. So if we get no remainder, if it is successfully divided, then what we have to do? We are going to increase the value. We have taken a boolean variable. Now we will make what? B equal to true. What is the meaning of B equal to true? Means if it is divisible, then make it true. Make it true. Okay. Only if part we will keep. Not required to have what? Else. After that, let's close it. And then we will close what? Loop. Okay. So we have completed this. Now we will check whether we have got the value of B true or false. If not B, then what we will print? The number is prime. Okay, and otherwise what we can do? We can say that else SOP the number is composite. The number is composite. Okay, so in this way we complete this program. Now we need to understand, we will do the dry run of the program and we will see how the output comes. Like this, enter the number 7. 7 is entered. So what is the value of n? N equal to 7. N is 7. Now what the loop will do? The loop runs from 2 to 7 by 2. By 7 by 2 means how much? It will run up to 3 only. 7 by 2 means up to. So it will be divided only by 2 and 3. So next time what will happen? 7 module 2. If you do 7 module 2, what will be remainder? 1. If you do 7 module 3, then also the remainder will come 1. It means that the value of B was false in the beginning and it will remain false. It will remain false. It will not become true. And when it is false, then we go to the next if, where it is written not B. What is the meaning of not B? Not B will make it true. True means prime. And if it becomes, like we take it 8 here and it becomes divisible, and after the divisibility the value of B will be changed to true. And when it becomes true, then when it comes here to check, true will become false, and when it becomes false, it will show that it is composite. So in this way we can do this program, and we can use for loop for checking a number whether it is prime or composite. So that's all we have for this program.
Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.